Production cost insurance. You've never really been insured until now. Farming is high risk. Price movement in seed, fertilizer, chemicals, and commodities make it difficult to know what your revenue will be from year to year. We help farmers manage that risk. Production cost insurance from Global Ag Risk Solutions. Every spring, farmers take a big risk that their revenue won't cover their expenses. The usual insurance products won't help you in a catastrophic event, like a terrible frost, drought, or a drop in prices. Now there's a multi-peril product that gives you a predictable minimal revenue stream. It's bankable. You can use this insurance as collateral with major banks, so your banker can be assured of what your revenue is going to be and lend against it. And it pays out quickly. We understand cash flow is important, so we pay out before you need it. At least 60% paid out before you seed. After all, in the history of farming, red tape has never helped plant a thing. Here's how it works. You're covered for 3 major inputs: fertilizer, seed, and chemicals. Over and above that, you are insured for a specific amount per acre in revenue. For example, Paul has a 10,000-acre farm. He estimates his seed, fertilizer, and chemical costs will be $100 an acre. In addition, Paul wants to have coverage for an additional revenue of $75 an acre. Production cost insurance covers Paul for his input costs, $100 an acre, plus $75 an acre coverage for a guaranteed revenue of $175 an acre. On his 10,000-acre farm, Paul knows he has $1.75 million as floor revenue for the year. If your farm is hit with the unexpected, a frost, disease, a drought, maybe the price is too low, or a combination of these events, with your insurance, you will have this minimum revenue. But that's not the best part. We want this product to reflect and support quality farming practices. Here's what that means to you. Halfway through the year, for whatever reason, Paul needed more inputs. Perhaps a pass of herbicide or fungicide was going to boost yields or save a great crop. Now his inputs have grown from $100 an acre to $125 an acre. Because we're with you all the way, your base coverage will rise with you. The reason is simple. We don't want you to run up against a ceiling that forces you to make bad farming decisions. When the bugs are coming or weeds are growing, it's not the time we want you to be reading the fine print in your insurance policy. As your input costs go up, your coverage goes up. Paul's coverage went up to $200 an acre, and his 10,000-acre farm now has $2 million of revenue, with no changes to your premium. That gives you stability in your operation and lets you farm the way you want to farm. Finally, when you have a claim, you don't need delays, you need action. And when things are at their worst, we are at our best. Global Ag Risk Solutions claims are honored quickly. We help keep your farm growing. Global Ag Risk Solutions.